Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is FunMit 4 inches dryer vent cover. This is durable plastic 4-inch outdoor dryer vent cover with screen on the back, includes 4 screws for easy to install. Louvered vent cover fits a 4-inch diameter pipe and vent opening. The outside dimensions of the dryer vent cover is 6 by 6 inches. Please confirm our size before installation. FunMit has most of vent cover replacement parts, include metal and plastic material. Please refer to the end of A+. Helps keep wind, rain and snow from entering outdoor dryer vents, also keeps out birds and rodents. This 4-inch vent cover comes with a high-density mesh. If your lint is too large, you can take out the mesh and use it to avoid accumulation. Easy to install louvered vent cap for dryer and bath fan venting. High impact polyplastic construction, contain UV stabilizer to reduce fading due to exposure to sunlight. Number 2 in this best dryer vent cover list is Deflecto Super Vent Dryer Vent Cover. Protect your vent opening from buildup caused by wind, rain, snow and unwanted pests with our Super Vent Louvered Outdoor Vent Cover. This package includes a dryer vent cover featuring curved louvers that make little noise even when they open wide for maximum exhaust flow. Vent opening measures 4 inch in diameter, and the total unit measures 6 wide by 6 long. This vent cover will easily snap into place to fit over your vent opening, and can be quickly secured with 4 screws. Made from durable and weather-resistant plastic with UV inhibitor added to hood to prevent sun damage and cracking, this cover is sure to last you a long time for a one-time purchase. This Super Vent Louvered Outdoor Dryer Vent Cover keeps unwanted pests and outdoor elements at bay so you can dry all day. Package includes a dryer vent cover with curved louvers that stay quiet even when they open wide for maximum exhaust flow. Made from durable and weather-resistant plastic with UV inhibitor added to hood to prevent sun damage and cracking. Our third choice is Cenepar Dryer Vent Cover. The exterior dryer vent cover is made of 304 stainless steel. The stainless steel dryer vent cover can be used for long years and perfect for air exhaust. Different from frangible plastic dryer vent cover, our dryer vents for houses are more durable, anti-rust, anti-heat, anti-aging and corrosion resistant. The easy moving outside lamellas of the dryer vent cover outdoor can provide maximum volume flows. When any pressure is applied from the inside, the ventilation duct grill can easily open the flaps, and when it not in use, the one-way shutters will automatically close to keep rain, snow or others out. The outside dryer vent covers for house is suitable for ventilation ducts, bathroom vents and smoke extraction equipment, air conditioners, kitchen fans and vents, all home wall vents, heat transfer and ventilation systems, range hood extractors, and part of industrial uses, which can prevent debris into the house. Fourth pick in this best dryer vent cover list is Heartland Dryer Vent Cover. This dryer vent closure saves you time and money. This energy-saving closure is designed to keep conditioned air in the home and prevent any unwanted guests out. This is high-quality ventilation. Protect your wallet, energy, and home with the Heartland Natural Dryer Vent Closure. With self-sealing construction, this vent cover pushes conditioned air back into the home and keeps the cold air out season after season. Quickly replace your old vent with the Heartland Natural Vent in less than 30 minutes. Featuring a square base with pre-drilled holes for simple, user-friendly assembly, the vent cover must be installed in a vertical position. The Heartland Natural Dryer Vent Closure is 13.2 by 7.4 by 6.7 inches in size and weighs 1.8 pounds. This versatile vent closure can be mounted to brick, masonite, and press board. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Lambro 289 watts dryer vent seal. If you want a home free of creepy crawlies, this could be the dryer vent cover for you. This product is made of ABS plastic and is manufactured in the United States. It is a cover for an exterior wall vent. This product will help you keep insects out of your home while also keeping cold air and small animals out. Because it can expel heat in a controlled manner, this product provides excellent ventilation. The dryer vent seal installs easily and quickly over an existing 4-inch vent pipe. With a higher level of insulation, it will also be able to save you energy. The large vent area will improve the efficiency of the exhaust flow. As a result, this is a high-quality vent cover. Once again, this product is certified by UL, Energy Star, DOE, and ASTM.